Guys, alam niyo na ba yung purpose niyo sa buhay? Di ba most of us, we struggle to find out kung ano yung purpose natin, kung ano yung reason why we exist. Meron ako naisip na reason. Isa sa mga reason to, napakadami reason kung bakit hindi natin mahanap yung purpose natin. We are bombarded with many information. Napakadaming pwedeng gawin. Hindi naman masama yun, di ba? It keeps us busy. Pero, what's really happening is that medyo nalilito tayo kung ano yung gusto nating gawin based sa mga napapanood natin. For example, nakita mo isang 27 years old who has been successful sa kanyang ginagawa. So, syempre may inspire ka. Sino ba naman ang ayaw ng ganun, di ba? So, ang gagawin mo, tatry mo, nagayahin kung ano man yung ginawa niya. Ang problema, iba-iba tayo ng personality eh. Iba-iba rin tayo ng reason kung bakit natin ginagawa ang isang bagay. So, kailangan may motivation first and foremost, di ba? So, mag-share ako sa inyo ng konti sa pinagdaanan ko. I worked for a coffee shop for 15 years. Enjoy ko naman yung trabaho. Actually, looking back, gustong-gusto ko talagang balikan yun. Kaya lang, as I go along, parang na-realize ko, bakit hindi ako nare-reward for doing things that I do? Gusto ko naman yung ginagawa ko. Pero, walang award. Magsisinungaling ako kung sasabihin ko sa inyo na hindi ako nag-expect. Siyempre, gusto ko ma-acknowledge, di ba? And then later on, ayun, nag-apply ako for another job. I got the job without any experience of doing it. I was exposed to do it on my previous job, pero hindi ko siya trabaho. Pero dito, trabaho ko na siya. Alam nyo, I even got the job by telling them that I don't have any experience about this job. But today, at this era, everything can be Googled. And I got the job with that answer. Oh, tip yan ha. Pero anyway, moving forward to the job, I enjoyed doing it then. Na-realize ko, ito talaga yung passion ko. I wanna teach. And 3 months after I was employed there, I was given an award. Rookie of the Year, and the other one, I can't remember well. Pero I was given the award. And it was very fulfilling for me. So nahanap ko ngayon kung ano yung purpose ko. To teach. Now that I found my passion, I realize this is something that I wanna do. Kasi yung ginagawa ko siya, bukod sa na-enjoy ko siya, I was rewarded for it. Somebody acknowledged that it is my talent, and I praise God for it. So ngayon, ito ngayon ang ginagawa ko today. I'm finding my purpose by doing this, by teaching. So as for you, paano nyo ngayon hanapin kung ano yung purpose nyo? Explore. Diba? Mag-enroll kayo. If you like to dance, enroll sa dance lessons. If you wanna sing, and then do it. Sing. If you wanna paint, paint. Diba? And maybe, you might want to invest on it a little, diba? For you to really understand kung hanggang saan yung kaya niyong gawin with your talents. And then, after nyo ngayon ma-explore kung ano yung talents nyo, it's a time to find your platform. So, right now, we're in social media era, so might as well post it in social media, di ba? So now, balik tayo sa question ko. Alam nyo ba kung ano yung purpose nyo sa buhay? Now, it's time to explore. So, it's for you to find out kung ano yan. God bless!